my dear student of class 10. This is chapter number 3, metals and non-metal NCERT question. Today we are discussing the NCERT question, page number 53. So my dear student, there are few questions are there of NCERT questions, metal and non-metal, chapter number 3, page number 53. The first question is define the following term: mineral, ore and gangue. What is minerals, what is ore and what is gangue? Let's start the answer. Minerals. What is minerals? The elements and compounds. The elements and compounds which occur naturally on the earth crust are called minerals. The mineral or compound which we get from the earth crust, that is called the mineral. Suppose that the cuprite, that is the CuO, that we call the copper oxide, and superpyrite, CuFeS2, both are the minerals. They are minerals of copper. The minerals are the elements and compound which we get from the earth crust. Second question is ore. Second number is ore. This is A number, and this is B number, and this is C number. So my dear student, A, B and C. Ore, the minerals from which a ore, the minerals from which a metal can be obtained. The minerals from which a metal can be obtained conveniently and profitably is called ore. So the mineral which we getting from a metal can be obtained conveniently. The mineral from which a metal, from the mineral, that type of metal we are trying to get for our profit purpose and for in a convenient way, that is called the ore. Suppose that the clay Al2O3, SiO2, 2H2O, and bauxite Al2O3, 2H2O are the minerals of aluminium, but aluminium is extracted from bauxite easily and profitably, and bauxite is the ore of aluminium. And last one is the gangue, Gangue. Gangue. What do you mean by the gangue? So what do you mean by the gangue? What do you mean by the gangue? Gangue say up. What do you mean by the gangue? That what do you understand by the gangue? So my dear student, the unwanted, unuseless, rocky and earthy impurities. The unwanted, useless, rocky and earthy impurities present with the ore. The unwanted or rocky impurities present with the ore are called gangue. So this is all about the define the following term: mineral, ore and gangue. Let's come to the question number second. Name